Dear friends, good afternoon. Today I'm trying Laziza International Spice Mix. It has all the seasoning and the recipe behind. So I am making Qeema Masala. Fry the sliced onion in oil or ghee, which is here. I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground beef or ground mutton. That's what I'm using. I'm using mutton. And then add Laziza Qeema Masala, which is this. 1 bag, which is this bag. So I have added 2 pounds of ground mutton. Keep cooking the qeema until it changes the color. So at this stage, the mutton looks fried. I'm gonna add the whole bag of the spice mix. This whole bag is gone in it. So after frying it for 5 to 8 minutes, I'm going to add 2 medium tomatoes cut into pieces are going in the gravy. We have to cook it before adding. I have added actually 3 tablespoons of whipped yogurt. I'm going to cook this to make the gravy. I'm going to add this glass of water. Give it a mix and put the pressure cooker lid or your Instapot lid on and then cook it on medium flame for 10 to 12 minutes. So after cooking with the lid on for 10 to 12 minutes, it looks like this. Now the flame is high, it's cooking, and I'm drying out the tomato, and I can see that the oil is separating. You can add peas, you can add potatoes. I'm adding bell pepper, green. It was a small bell pepper I have cut into pieces, just like this, the small pieces, and I'm gonna add these to the gravy. Cook it for just 5 minutes with the cover on, and then we can garnish it with green chili and some chopped coriander leaves. This is the final look of the Qeema Masala by Laziza Spice Mix, and I hope you will try this recipe and enjoy it with your family. Take care till next time. Have a wonderful weekend and goodbye.